Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashley. Today, pre-nursery Daisy will conduct the morning assembly. For recitation, I would like to call upon Ryan. Kindly fold your arms. Thank you. Jazakallah. Start. Auzubillah. Bismillah. First kalma. Translation. Prophet Sallam is the Jazakallah. Hadith of the day. We should eat dates as it's sunnah. Jazakallah. Abrish. Today is Teachers International Celebration Day. I wish all the teachers good luck, and I want to thank all of them for their hard work and love. Thank you. This is a circle. It has no sides. Thank you. This is a square. It has 4 sides. Thank you. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. Thank you. Thank you so very much. I am extremely touched, beta. Jazakallah khair. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. I'm extremely touched. Thank you so very much. Jazakallah. Give me a smile. Wa'iyaki. Okay? When somebody says to you Jazakallah, then you're supposed to say Wa'iyaki. Okay? Thank you. My name is Musa. Today, pre-nursery Daisy will conduct the morning assembly. For recitation, I would like to call upon Zarnish. Kindly fold your arms. Auzubillah. Hemina shaitan. Bismillah. Rahman. G. First kalma.
Hold your arms, everyone.
Illallahu. G. Translation. Yes. Jazakallah. Excellent. Shaking hands. Hello, shaking hands is sunnah. Jazakallah. This is my teddy bear. I sleep with it. I like it. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, Kishan. This is a pigeon. I cannot hear you. This is a pigeon. Be loud. It is white in color. It is my favorite pet. And this is the food which I give him or her or whatever for her. This is the food of the pigeon. Thank you. Yeah. Tortoise. Sorry, I couldn't see it. Yes. Tulip. Taxi. What's next? Tomato. Turnip. Yes. Now repeat after me. Huh? What is this? This one. Tortoise. Taxi. Tulip. What is this? Very nice. And what is this? Huh? What is this? Turnip. Thank you. Huh? Huh? Very nice. Move on to the next one. Huh? Count it? Yes, count it. 1. Huh? Huh? Yes. Huh? Huh? Show me. Yes, Musa. Yes. 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 Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Shh. Circle it. Excellent. Very nice. Superb. Magnificent.